Good morning. Myself Dr. Mrunal Akre, Assistant Professor, Global Institute of Ayurveda, Department of Dravegun. In our pharmacological series, now we are going to see our next drugs, that are contraceptives. Now, what are contraceptives? Generally, contraceptives are the drugs that are used to protect or to create a barrier in the product of conception. When there is an intercourse and after the result of intercourse is having a pregnancy, to avoid this pregnancy, contraceptions are used. Contraception are used by both males and females. There are two types of contraceptions in males or in females. There are physical method and another one is a chemical or the use of drugs. In physical method, physical items are used like condoms. Both are used by males and female. In market, female condoms are available, male condoms are available. Then drugs, then other barrier method. In barrier method, only the intercourse is done in between the safe period when there after the menstrual cycle is over, from the day when the menstrual cycle is closed till 14th day, and after that from 20th day to the origin of the menstrual cycle. In these days are considered as safe period. In chemical or drugs that are used for contraception, different drugs are used in females and different drugs are used in males. Now we will see about female contraception. Generally in female contraception there are hormonal contraceptives and non-hormonal contraceptives. In female contraception there are two types of contraception. First is oral. In oral there are combined pill, phased pill, progestin, emergency pill. Now combined pill, they contain estrogen and progesterone both, and they are given all days for in between the cycle, menstrual cycle. Phased pills, they are triphasic regime. They introduced to permit reduction in total steroid dose without compressing efficacy by mimicking the normal hormonal pattern in menstrual cycle. In this, estrogen dose is kept constant for 30 to 40 mg, and progesterone dose it is varied. Next are progestin pill. They are known as only pills or mini pills. These are it has been devised to estimate the estrogen these mini pills are eliminate the estrogen. It has because of many long-term risks. Then emergency pill or post-coital pill. Now in market you have heard about I-pill or unwanted 72. These are all emergency pills. These are taken if the contraceptive method has slipped, or if a woman she missed her contraceptive pills, or males he is not using any contraception. At that time this missed pill are used. Emergency pills are used. This emergency pill contains levonorgestrel 0.7 milligram. These are given between 12. These are given after between 72 hours of unprotected intercourse. The pills are given 0.7 milligram in two doses at 12 hours apart, and 1.5 milligram single dose taken as soon as intercourse is over. Now progesterone and estrogen combined pills. Combined pills are they consist of norgestrel 0.3 milligram, ethinyl estradiol 30 mg. In market its trade name is Maladi. In Mala D, you will see 21 tablets of norgestrol and ethinyl estradiol and 7 ferrous sulfate tablets of 60 milligram ferrous sulfate. This is so because the patient should have that continuity of taking the tablets, and due to some hormonal pills, hemoglobin level may decrease, and to cope up with that decreased level of hemoglobin, ferrous sulfate is added. Then next is overall tablet. It contains 0.5 milligram of norgestrol and ethinyl estradiol 50 milligram. This 20 tablets it is there. 20 tablets are taken from the day of menstrual cycle, last day of menstrual cycle, till the first day of or prior to the menstrual cycle. Then third is levonorgestrel 0.25 milligram and ethinyl estradiol 50 milligram. Other combination has levonorgestrel 0.15 milligram and ethinyl estradiol 30 milligram. Then next combination is levonorgestrel 0.1 milligram and ethinyl estradiol 20 milligram. 20 milligram. And market name is Lotte, Ovilo or Combi. 21 tablet are there. Desogestrel 0.15 milligram and ethinyl estradiol 30 milligram. It comes in trade name of Novilon. 21 tablets are there. 21 tablets you have to take. Desogestrel 0.15 milligram and ethinyl estradiol 20 milligram. It comes by trade name of Familon. 21 tablets. Next are phased pills. This phased pill contain different amount of different steroids. First phased pill is tricular. It has 6 tablets, then 5 tablets and 10 tablets. In first, it contains levonorgestrel 50 to 75 grams and ethinyl estradiol 30 to 40 milligrams. In 10 tablets, it contains 125 milligram of levonorgestrel and 30 milligram of ethinyl estradiol. Then next phased pill is orthonomum. Orthonomum, it has 777 tablets. First 7 tablets, it contains 0.5 norethindrone and ethinyl estradiol 35 gram. Then next 7 tablets contain 0.75 norethindrone and 35 milligram of ethinyl estradiol. And last 7 tablet, it contains 1 milligram of norethindrone and 35 milligram of ethinyl estradiol. This is so because in the body it develops the level of progesterone and estrogen. So as soon as the level of progesterone it will be decreased and estrogen it will be increased, then the menstrual cycle it will be continued. So for that this phased pill are used. Postcoital pills or emergency pills. These postcoital pills contain levonorgestrel 0.25 milligram and ethinyl estradiol 50 milligram. The market name is Overall or Dolution L. They contain 2 tablets. Or second tablet is I-pill or Nil. It contains levonorgestrel 0.75 milligram and only it contains levonorgestrel 0.75 milligram. Then mini pills. Mini pills are norethindrone 0.35 milligram. It contains by Micronor or Nor-OD. Norgestrel 75 milligram. It contains by trade name AYURVEDA. Some injectables are also available for convenience of patient. They have developed over daily injections of pills. Injectables are taken in 2 to 3 month gap. This can be taken in 2 to 3 month gap, but patient have to be mentioned, or patient have to be remembered the last dose of injection. They contain IM oily solution, highly effective only on long-acting progesterone are given in injectable form. Two compounds are marketed nowadays. First is depot medroxyprogesterone acetate, that is known as DMPA. It is given in the 150 milligram at 3 months interval. After injection, peak blood level are reached in 3 weeks and declined with plasma half-life of 50 days. Its trade name is Depot Provera 155 milligram. It is given deep IM during first 5 days of menstrual cycle and it is repeated every 3 months. Next is norethindrone or norethindrone. 200 milligram is given at 2-month interval. Noristrate 200 milligram IM is available in vial, 1 ml vial is available, which is given deep IM during first 5 days of menstrual cycle and repeated after every 2 months. Implants. Some silicone implants are also available which are implemented under the skin. They are the steroid content patches of silicone. These are used, they released they released progesterone slowly over a period of 1 to 5 years. They consist of either biodegradable polymer matrix or non-biodegradable rubber membranes. These non-biodegradable rubber membranes have to be removed on expiry after every 1 year or say 5 years, whatever their expiry date is. And biodegradable polymer matrix, they dissolved under the skin and they need not to be removed on expiry. Trade name of these implants are Norplant. A set of 6 capsules containing 36 milligram of levonorgestrel is available in market, but this Norplant, it is discontinued in USA and it works for up to 5 years. Progesterone, it is implanted intrauterine, inserted intrauterine. Its market name is Progestrate. Some countries have introduced this. It contains 52 milligram of levonorgestrel, which primarily act on local endometrium. The device remains effective for 5 years, and the efficacy rate is, less. So this was all about our contraceptives, female contraceptive. In male contraceptive, generally some androgens are used, injectables are also used, and physical method it is also used. So thank you.